Now in this quick video, I'm going to go over the U-turn from a stop exercise. Now this exercise is more of an advanced exercise that will help you with fine-tuning the friction zone, handlebar turns, and leaning the motorcycle. Now we'll also demonstrate that you don't need much speed to keep the motorcycle from falling. All you need is power to the rear wheel. So if you want to improve your slow speed maneuvering, hang tight. Hey, I'm Paul the Motor Guy. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back and thank you for your support. Now, the goal of my channel is to pass on riding tips, practice drills, and defensive riding strategies. Now, this exercise does not require any setup. All you need is a parking lot. So, now let me explain how this exercise is done. Now, for this exercise, you will start from a stopped position. Now you would turn the handlebars in the direction you want to go. When I do this exercise, I turn the handlebars to full lock, but you can start where you're comfortable and work towards your way to full lock. Now you also want to put your foot down in the direction that you want to go. So if you're turning to the left, you will have the left foot down and your right foot on the foot peg. And if you're turning to the right, you will have your right foot down and your left foot on the foot peg. You want to turn your head looking over your shoulder in the direction that you're going. Now, when you're ready, you will roll on the throttle, keeping the RPMs around 1200 to 1500, and then you will engage the friction zone. Now, as the motorcycle starts to move, pick up your foot and keep the handlebars turned until you complete your U-turn. Now, it is okay to drag your rear brake if you need to tighten up your turn. Now, you want to make sure you practice going in both directions. So if your first turn was to the left, then on the next one, turn to the right. Now, let me get on my bike and I'll ride this for you. Now, let me know in the comment section below if you've done this exercise before. And don't forget to smash that like button. So until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.